How do you become a paid content creator and start earning from 4 or more figures per month every single month, even without a lot of followers? Well, we'll find out in this video. So let's get right into it. You need 5 things. You need content, professionalism, a niche, consistency, and constant improvement. So first, you need content ideas and a platform that you want to become a creator on. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Now, what is it that you want to create content about? Is it fashion, beauty, working from home as a mom? What is it? Next, you need professionalism. So you basically need to start thinking of yourself as a business owner, as a professional content creator that is getting paid even before you're doing so. And you need to start thinking of your media kit, UGC portfolio if you want to offer these services, and brand collaboration rates and possibilities even before you get them. Your rates might also depend in the future on the number of followers that you have, but as a UGC creator, you can start creating videos for brands even without having followers. So for that, you need to start creating your UGC portfolio and your media kit for brands. So we will use Kittl to start designing our media kit right now. So we'll go to Kittl and check out their amazing templates. You have plenty to choose from, and we will choose the media kit template first. You have so many good options to choose from, but choose one that goes with your style. Then open it to customize it, and you can edit the text, add your demographics, add the audience age, and more. You can change any text you want, replace the photos, and more. Again, you can choose ones with multiple pages as well and include your rates. Next, you need to stick to one niche, or at least you need to focus on standing out from the crowd within a specific niche first. So if you're into beauty, stop doing what everyone else is doing and put your own spin on the content that you're creating. Do beauty tutorials for busy moms, pale skin tutorials. Find something that is unique to you and your personality and put that into your content. And most importantly, help your audience relate to you so that they follow you and keep coming back to your account. Now, you also need to be consistent, and that is an obvious one. With consistency, you will also improve, and with consistency, you also help people see you more and become comfortable with you and following you. Posting one TikTok a month is not enough. And moving on to the next step, you also need to improve your skills consistently. Staying the same and creating the same type of content on and on and on without bringing something new to the table will bore you and your audience. So always find new ways to level up your content, your audio, your video quality, your ideas. Think outside the box and put your own spin on different trends that are happening on social media right now. Now that you're sure you have all of this set up, how do you get paid as a content creator? First, brand deals, and these can be 2 types. Brands can pay you to create videos for them as a UGC creator, and you can send them the videos, they can use it, but you won't post it on your own social media. Or another way can be brands can come to you for you to create videos and post them on your own social account. And for both of these, you will need a media kit and a UGC portfolio for them to see, to look through and see the work that you've been doing, and also provide them with the rates and the results of previous projects. First, we will go to Kittl and create a media kit for brands in which you will be sharing your rates for videos that you will be posting on your own social media. So in this, we need to include audience demographics, their ages, your rates, different packages that you might have, and more. Now, the next thing we want to do is create a UGC portfolio. Even as a beginner content creator, you might want to start creating these little videos for brands that they can use on their own social media and get paid per video creation and for usage rights. So I'm talking about different videos in which you present a product, in which you use a product. Brands usually use these to advertise their business on TikTok, on Instagram, whatever they are, and instead of creating them themselves, they just pay content creators, UGC creators, to do that for them. So that can be an amazing little way in which you can start earning more revenue as a content creator. And for that, you might need a website or a page in which you show your content creation abilities. Another way you can start getting paid as a content creator is through affiliate marketing. So when you're creating content and you're showing different products in a reel, for example, people might be interested in what that product is. And to lead them to that specific product, you can have different Instagram story highlights in which you add stories with the specific links to those products. All creators do this. You can even have an Amazon storefront, but it's important to also have these products, these super popular products, in your Instagram highlights. So for that, when you add the link, you'll need to add your affiliate link so you'll earn a commission when somebody clicks that link and purchases something through it. So let's start creating those with Kittl. First, the stories that go in the highlights, and then the highlights covers for them. Go ahead and choose Instagram stories and choose your desired template. Here you can start editing by adding your own text, images, and of course make sure to highlight the button that will include your affiliate link. Then start creating your profile highlights that will include these stories with your affiliate links. The third way creators can start earning is by selling digital products or online courses. No matter what your niche is or expertise, you can start selling little digital products that will help your audience reach a certain goal a bit faster. That can be a mini course, an ebook, a template. You might think, okay, but why am I selling a product for $7? But little price digital products can earn you thousands every single month. After you create your template, you need to start creating your mockup or your Instagram post to promote that digital product. So let's learn how to do that together. Your digital product can be literally anything. Kittl has a lot of templates that you can use, for example, for digital planners or anything else, such as different sheets or lists. Make sure to create your post letting people know that this is a digital download. Another way you can start getting paid as a content creator is by joining different creator programs, such as for TikTok, but that's not available in all countries. Instagram has one, I think, for Reels, but then again, not in all countries. And then the YouTube creator program with Google AdSense and get paid for ads that are shown on your videos. This is a good little way to earn extra revenue, especially when your videos get viewed by a lot of people in multiple countries. And then another way you can start earning is by selling your freelance services, such as a graphic designer. You can sell your makeup services for different events or your styling services as a fashion content creator. The possibilities are honestly endless. You can start booking a few extra clients every single month to earn a little extra revenue. So there you go. This is how you can start earning as a content creator, big or small. The methods are so many. I suggest implementing one at a time and always level up your content creation game to get more opportunities for paid projects. And also keep your media kit updated at all times. You never know when brands might reach out to you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to watch more to learn more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!